Welcome everyone, I'm Monica from McLaren of Walnut Creek. Today we're diving into the world of high-performance hybrids with the 2025 McLaren Artura Spider, the Artura Amplified. Before we take this beauty for a drive, let's have a look at the exterior, starting with this incredible paint known as lava grey, which is part of McLaren's extensive palette for the Artura Spider. As we follow around to the rear of the car, you will notice the redesigned buttresses and well-ventilated rear deck. The new transparent glazed polycarbonate buttresses are lightweight and functional. Not only do they improve visibility, but they also enhance aerodynamics and airflow by doubling as a vent system. This directs air towards the engine and other critical components. The new air intake vents located on the outer sections of the rear deck pull in cool air and channel it towards the engine, powertrain, and brakes. This ensures a continuous flow of fresh air, managing optimal temperatures where it's needed most. The left and right vents differ slightly in terms of function, delivering partial airflow to multiple components. Alright, enough about the outside, let's hop inside and experience the all-new 2025 McLaren Artura Spider. Alright, time to take the Artura Spider for a drive. Now, one of my favorite features about the new 2025 Artura Spider is the electrochromatic roof panels, which, with the touch of a button, can turn from opaque to transparent. If you're not quite ready to take the roof off, but we're here for the full Spider experience, so let's go ahead and take the roof off. Now, McLaren have installed 8 electric motors, which provide a seamless, quiet, and smooth stowaway in just 11 seconds. Once in the cabin, one of the first things I notice is the McLaren orange or papaya start-stop button. Now, this color change from this previous red is an obvious nod to the brand color and a distinctive new feature of the 2025 Artura. Now, something else you'll notice is the optional 12-speaker Bowers & Wilkins surround system, which ensures your driving soundtrack is just as impressive as the drive itself. The speakers are strategically placed throughout the cabin, including a rear center speaker between the seats, creating an immersive audio experience. The Artura Spider now features wireless Apple CarPlay and charging here in this deck below the console, contributing to the amplified technology experience of the Artura. Wow, okay. Even at the lowest speeds, it makes a really satisfying sound. A noticeable difference from previous models. Oh, that sound! I love it! Now, at the heart of the Artura Spider is still the 3-litre twin-turbo V6, configured at 120 degrees. However, they have retuned it now to get an additional 114 horsepower. Which you can definitely notice. Now, the great news for previous Artura model owners is that there is now going to be a software update available, so you don't miss out on that extra horsepower. Now, the 2025 Artura still has the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. However, McLaren have implemented something called pre-cog technology, which pre-selects the gears ahead of time, engages the clutch just a little right at the kissing point, to make for faster, smoother gear changes. 25% faster, in fact. So here are the more windy roads. I notice a more direct feedback, which is in turn related to the stiffer engine mouths, giving more driver feedback and better performance. crescendo sound as the valves open, where you can cruise comfortably in the lower speeds without sacrificing any of that raw sound at the top end. I love it. Now, if you weren't excited about the Artura before, you're definitely going to be excited about the 2025 Artura Spider. This thing puts goosebumps all over my body. I absolutely love it. What an experience. Ooh, I love the sound. It just pops in those gear changes. What an exhilarating experience. The 2025 McLaren Artura Spider is more than just a car. It's a marvel of modern engineering and design, with amplified performance, engagement, and technology. The Artura Spider sets a new benchmark in the supercar world. Whether you're a speed enthusiast or a tech lover, the Artura Spider delivers on all fronts. Thanks for joining me on this thrilling ride. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment about your favorite amplified feature. Until next time, see you later.